Hi there, I am representing AI Learn SkillsInc.
Using linguistic plugins, so let me first give you a brief introduction about it. Longs translates your website into over 85 languages with unlimited and instant translations. It's super easy to use and implement. You must have several languages available, especially when you have users coming in from all over the world. I tested out this plugin before, and it's a great plugin. With a linguist plugin, you can increase your website traffic with instant translations. They offer pixel-perfect translation service that can be accessed from your website's front end and can be done in just a matter of minutes. With Linguist, you can translate all major CMS like WordPress, Shopify, and many more. Like I said earlier, you can increase your website traffic with instant translations. The translations will be SEO optimized automatically, so you don't have to worry about anything. Linguist will handle everything. Let's just say that you make changes to your website. You must be thinking, do I need to translate manually now? The answer is no. Once your website's content is updated, its translations are instantly added automatically. I already like this plugin. One more thing is that you can manage all your multilingual website content from one dashboard, which is amazing. Now they are offering a month free trial without putting in any credit card. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and let's sign up. These are the pricing plans. Prices are based on the volume of translated words. But before making the decision, let me show you how amazing this plugin is. Scroll above and click register and Translate Now button. You can simply sign up with your Google or Microsoft account, which is really quick, or you can either sign up using email address. I am going to sign up using Google. Click continue and your account will be created here. My account is created. Now let's configure some basic settings. First of all, enter in your domain URL on which you're going to be testing out the plugin. Below, choose your CMS. WordPress it is. My base language for the website is English. Let's select English now. This is the fun part. You can
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Translations. You need to connect your website with Lingua server, so click on this link to install the Lingua.